انت روانې فلاینګ له لکیلی تا ته ګایډ او پایلټ ملو شو نو بس
دا خو ستا دواګانې او تا غوښته چې زه خیرتن فلاینګ وکړم او دې لپاره تاسو دلته راوستی وم نو الله دې تا خوشحاله لري او الله تعالی دې درجې نورې بلندې کړي په دا کې ماشاءالله دغه کینګ یې د انټرلاکن او موږ واپس روانو خو زما بخیر ستاسو دواګانو رنګ لاړ
دا درې پایلټان را روانو دي سره دوه ګاکانو ما ورته ویل لکه یو موږ سره هم دی نو بس ښه
بالکل زبردست دا خو ما پارزه کې انجوای کړی دی کم یو
دا ماغه یو فلایر وکنه چې دی خبره کوله هلته لاندې
دا سولو پایلټ دی ځان له سولو
نه هغه چې کم تاسو ورغی هغې ویل چې یو شته او تاسو ویل چې شهیر به م را سره فلاینګ کوي خو بس قسمت
شهیر په وجه باندې بس خو بیا فاروق صاحب چې نه شهیر خو دلته موجود دی دوباره به وکړي بیا به وکړي خو زما ارمان دی چې ته فلایټ وکړي نو الله دې
ډیر خوش شو ډیر خوش شو زه خوشحاله یم چې ته فلاینګ وکړي او الله پاک دې کامیاب کړه موږ دله ټول ویژوالز جوړو چې خلک وګوري او دا انجوای کړي انشاءالله دا وګوره څومره ښایسته خوند به کوي
زبردست ډېر ښکلی ځای دی او ډېر زبردست ځای دې راوستی یم الله تعالی دې خوشحاله لره
او تھینک یو بس ډېره مزه به کوي تاسو به اوس د عمر جان فلاینګ انشاءالله وګورئ ښه ډېر به انجوای کوئ انشاءالله
Are you ready to fly?
Yes, I am ready and I'm very excited and I'm proud of you. You are a good instructor.
No nervosity at all, huh? Not
Me?
at all.
No, I'm okay.
He's a diver. He is a crazy man.
Not diver, I'm a rider, I'm a biker.
Yes, everything. Oh, wow. To hold the dancing.
Yes, yes. No.
Oh, okay.
No, I want to like this here. No.
Ah, okay. Yeah,
I'm very excited. Very good.
Woo, what a surprise. Wow. Hiking up and then fly, huh?
Flying, diving, biking, riding, everything.
Crazy Omaji.
Yes, you can lift,
huh? To
give me
stay
this
up
if you
a little
want.
bit, huh?
No.
The stick?
Yes, I'm okay. Yes, I want to feel like this. I hold this one.
Ah, okay, okay. Yes.
Wow.
They're going from a lower takeoff. Yeah, also good, nice takeoff. No, he feels well, huh?
Yes, I feel very well.
Woo!
This is my second time here.
Really, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Look up in the lines here. Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. Video again. OG, how do you feel?
I'm very nice.
Fly like an eagle once, come on.
Yes.
Stretch your hands. Yeah. Yeah. Woo, now we're going up. Do you see that? Did you see where we... Now he's working video.
Okay.
You see it on the display, huh? Yeah.
No, I have 4.5 GoPro.
Yes, I think so. We're diving in it, right? So now I do video.
Yes. Okay.
So to prove that I am the flight attendant and this is the pilot in command.
Yes.
And I am feeling comfortable with the instructor.
Oh, John.
So, but now you need to prove that you cannot hold only the ropes. You can fly.
Oh, yes.
Do a circle, 360. Pull one side a little bit down. Yes. Pull this one until we move and do 360.
Wow.
You can even move faster and then we go a little bit faster. Yes. Like this.
Okay.
If you keep like that, we can continue the circle
Okay.
with this kind of speed.
Okay.
Or you can fly straight.
Yes,
or,
no,
huh?
fly straight.
If you don't want to fly anymore, hand it over to me.
Okay.
Huh?
No, this see. We
But
can.
if yes, just do it.
Wow.
I see, it's easier than diving.
Yes.
It's even easier than Beyonce. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, but you need more time for a good bouncy.
Okay, but
You
no.
see, there is another. Like that, we are going down slowly, but maybe not really now. We can go a little bit faster if you want, but not like roller coaster. Yes, you want to go a little bit more down?
Yes.
Here for an interview, Umar Jan, how do you feel?
I'm very good, feeling very good, and you are a very good instructor, that's why feeling good. But this is my fourth time.
Yes. Where did you do the others? Here also?
No,
No.
Two time Turkey.
Ah, yes.
Alanya. Alanya. I like there, but you know there is not like here high.
Yes, okay.
Little bit down.